So let us continue with exercise 2.6 12th sum. Find the sum. Okay, that is numbers are given. We are going to find the sum. A minus b by a plus b is a. 3a minus 2b by a plus b is a2. That is a1, a2, and a3 till a12. We are going to find the sum. Okay. So 1 by a plus b into a minus b plus 3a minus 2b plus 5a minus 3b. I am taking this 1, that is I already told you, if we take this number outside, then we will get only 1 here, that is 1 by a plus b into, I am taking all the numerator aside and 1 denominator aside. Okay, till 12 terms. Okay, here a equal to a minus b by a plus b and d equal to t2 minus t1, which is you see common difference is denominator is same, so we'll take denominator as it is and just we'll calculate the numerator, which is 3a minus 2b minus of a minus b, that is 3a minus 2b minus a plus b by a plus b. So 3a minus a is 2a and 2 minus 2b plus b is minus b by a plus b. So Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S12 equal to 12 by 2 into 2 into a is a minus b by a plus b plus 11 is, that is 12 minus 1 is 11 into d is 2a minus b by a plus b. Now only we found it. So when we calculate, 6 will be coming and 2 into, I am multiplying 2 inside, that is 2a minus 2b plus 11 into 2a is 22a minus 11b by a plus b. Everything we have a plus b as common, so you can put it as it is. So 6 into, when we calculate this, 24a minus 13b by a plus b, and that's all. This is your answer. I already told you that you learn more about geometric progression in the next topics. Now we are came to geometric progression, okay, which is nothing but GP. It is denoted by GP. Okay. So in this diagram, triangle DEF is formed by joining the midpoints of side AB and BC respectively. Then the size of the triangle of DEF is exactly 1/4 of the size of triangle ABC. Similarly, triangle GHI is also 1/4 of triangle FDE, and so on. In general, the successive areas are 1/4 of the previous areas. It is nothing but, this is A plus B, that is ABC, you know, triangle ABC, it is equilateral. Then if we join the midpoints of the three sides, we'll get another triangle DEF, which is, you can see that this triangle is exactly 1/4 of the whole triangle ABC, because this all are equal parts, so we'll add it 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 means if we take 1 from that, we'll get 1 by 4. Okay. So when we take this triangle now, this GHI, okay, see, in this triangle it is 1/4, okay, in this small triangle it is 1/4, and this big triangle it is 1 by 16th. We'll go on multiplying 1 by 4 and into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. When we divide it more and more, okay, I'll take this triangle and this triangle, okay, then I'll get 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. I'll go on dividing by 1 by 4. Okay, this is called as geometric sequence. Okay, the definition of geometric sequence is: a geometric progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed non-zero number to the preceding term except the first term. Okay, first term will be the same, and the next will be multiplying any non-zero number. Okay, it can be any number, but it should be non-zero. Other than 0, you can multiply it with any number. The fixed number is called common ratio. Okay, see here 1 by 4 is a ratio. Okay, we are going on multiplying it with 1 by 4. Okay, the fixed number is called the common ratio. The common ratio is usually denoted by R. Okay. So the general form of geometric progression, let A and R not equal to 0 be real numbers. Then the numbers of the form A, AR square till AR power n minus 1 is called a geometric progression. Okay, a geometric progression general formula is this one only. It will be looking like this only. Every geometric sequence will be looking like this. So the number A is called the first term and R is called the common ratio. We note that the beginning with first term A, each term is obtained by multiplied with the common ratio R to give AR. Then two R's will, that is R into R, then R into R into R. So R cube. Okay. So the general term of geometric progression is, we will try to find the formula for nth term of general term of geometric sequence, that is GP, whose terms are in the common ratio. So you can see that A into AR into AR square till AR power n minus 1, where A is the first term and R is the common difference. Let Tn be the nth term of the GP. Okay, then T1 equal to A into R power 0, that is 1. Okay, anything power 0 is 1 only. So A into R in 1 minus 1. Okay, so T2 equal to T1 into R, that is A into R, which is equal to A into R power 2 minus 1, which is R power 1 only. So T3 is so on, AR cube minus 1. Okay, thus the general term or the nth term of the GP is Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. Okay. So let us see an example number 2.40. Which of the following sequences form a geometric progression? We are asked to find it is a geometric progression or not. Before questions we found it is AP or not, we should check. Now we are going to check it is GP or not. So first part is 7, 14, 21, 28 till infinity. Second part is 1 by 2, 1, 2, 4 till infinity. Third part is 5, 25, 50, 75 till infinity. To check if a given sequence form a GP, we have to see if the ratio between the successive terms are equal. That is, see in AP we was doing T2 minus T1. Okay, T2 minus T1, but here we are going to check it whether T2 by T1 and T3 by T2 and T4 by T3, when this all things are equal, then it will be GP. So let us take the first one. T2 by T1 is 14 by 7, which is 2, and T3 by T2 is 21 by 14, which is 3 by 2, and T4 by T3 is 28 by 21, which is 4 by 3. Since the ratios between the successive terms are not equal, the sequence 7, 14, 21, 28 is not a geometric progression. Second part is 1 by 2, 1, 2 till infinity. So T2 by T1 is 1 by 2, which is 2, and T3 by T2 is 2 by 1, which is 2, and T4 by T3 is 4 by 2, which is 2. So here the ratios between the successive terms are equal. Therefore the sequence 1 by 2, 1, 2, 4 till infinity is a geometric progression with common ratio R equal to 2. Did you understand? And let us solve the third one also. 5, 25, 50, 75 till infinity. So T2 by T1 is 25 by 5, which is 5, and T3 minus T2 is 50 by 25, which is 2, and T4 by T3 is 75 by 50 is 3 by 2. Okay, you tell me what is it is geometric progression or not? See, it is geometric or not? It has different values, so it is not a geometric progression. Since the ratios between the successive terms are not equal, the sequence 5, 25, 50, 75 is not a geometric progression. Okay, did you understand?